Have you ever thought about gardening with your kids? It's a wonderful opportunity to bond, teach them about the wonders of nature, and encourage physical activity. There's a unique joy in seeing a seed grow into a plant. Imagine the thrill your child will experience as they watch a tiny seed sprout and grow. Starting a garden with your kids is simple, and it begins with choosing the right tools. Kid-friendly implements like small shovels, rakes, and gloves are crucial. They're safe, manageable, and make the gardening experience enjoyable for children. With the right tools, your little gardeners will be ready to dig in. Now, what should you plant? It's best to start with easy-to-grow plants. Consider sunflowers, radishes, or peas. These plants grow quickly so kids can witness the fruits of their labor in no time. Remember, success breeds enthusiasm, and these plants are sure to sprout excitement. Gardening isn't just about planting, it's also about taking care of what you've planted. Daily tasks like watering and pest checking teach kids the importance of patience and perseverance. In no time, your kids will be eagerly checking their garden daily, excited to see their plants grow. Gardening with your kids can be a fun and educational experience. It's as simple as picking the right tools, choosing easy-grow plants, and maintaining the garden. The benefits? Priceless moments and lifelong skills. So why not give it a try? Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!